All right. Now, I've also been receiving a lot of calls regarding the video because in the video, I stated my.
Big up Island Tribe.
Wagwan, you know.
So guys, we're just here to do a quick little intro and a little, I don't know,
Update.
update.
Yeah, and our most recent video from Samoa is blowing up, and you guys were like amazed to see a Jamaican in Samoa, you know, and this is an update about Jermaine. So the good news is that a lot of you have asked and it has come true. So Jermaine said that he want to create a channel. He actually has a channel now. So um, later down we'll let you see. He sent us a video for you guys. So later on you guys will see that video. All right. So yeah, what you have to say, babe?
So we only did the one vlog with Jermaine, only because we had plans as well to, you know, obviously visit the island and see other places.
Yeah.
And we also didn't want to, you know, be a nuisance to anybody. So, like, you know, it was really good that we got to meet Jermaine and his lovely wife and his beautiful two boys.
Yeah.
We didn't get to meet the rest of the kids, but I have seen photos and videos of the children, and it's, you know, I'm kicking myself now because I wish we had met the whole family, the whole crew.
Yeah.
So no, I'm super happy to have met someone that lives in Samoa, that is, you know, Jamaican, and you know, has given us a wisdom of, you know, a lot of wisdom, like a lot of knowledge, I should say.
Yeah.
In regards to the islands of Samoa, but also other islands that Jermaine has travelled with along his journey, and I'm sure he will do his, you know, his thing when,
because
he's opening up a channel, so he'll be able to tell you guys other places around that he's been as well. So.
Definitely more in depth, because I mean it's just one day we really got to spend with him and thing, and he showed us so much and so much knowledge that, you know, we never knew before. So you guys will definitely get to know him more personal, and his whole family and his journey, his story that he told us that you guys never heard on camera. So
yeah. So
you know,
please go ahead, follow Jermaine's page, which I presume it's called Jam Samoa.
I'll make it easy for you guys. So it will be down in the description and also pinned in the comment section. So you don't even have to type up now here. Just do that and you'll find him, and
go subscribe to him, comment, tell him that we sent you, and you know, we wish Jermaine all the best, and we will definitely link up again, possibly when this baby's born, because we wanted to go to Savai'i, but as you all know, Savai'i has its own things going on there, so better for us to wait until the baby's born before I can do another long distance travel. But everything's going good with us at the moment. You know, we've just been working really hard, and we've just been doing things at home, you know, with Island. Island is here. He's actually eating at the moment behind the camera. There he is. And so, yeah, but other than that, everybody, I'm doing fine. This is a little baby bump, getting bigger. Yes. So 15 weeks to go. And so that's us.
Yeah, for sure. And the funny thing is that we did tell Jeremy and when we were in Samoa to start a channel, but get to realize he's not such a social media person, but I think he's inspired now and convinced, and so it's a good look.
So you definitely mentioned it to Jermaine to do a channel, and we're really happy that he's gone ahead with making a channel for himself and his family. And you know, we're wishing all the best, and it will go far for him. I know that Samoa has more than what we just, you know, showcase to you guys. And so, and for all those people that are messaging him and ringing him and they want to go visit, go visit. Jamaicans, you don't need a visa to go to Samoa.
I tell you, because
so
he called me the other day and said to me that even friends from the 90s that he haven't seen from the 90s calling him, you know. I'm not even gonna say much. You guys I'll insert the clip after this So you guys listen to what he have to say and make sure to subscribe to his channel.
Yeah. I know that one of Jermaine's dreams is to get back to Jamaica to visit his family, his mum and family back home. So if we can all make that happen for him and his wife and his kids,
Yeah.
I mean, you know, why not? It's just spreading the love,
Yes, man.
you know. As they say, love is free.
Yeah.
So,
True
well, I actually know one YouTuber that says that.
Yeah.
Coco Girl.
Oh.
Yes, so big up yourself, Coco Girl.
Yeah.
Nah, anyways, yeah, as we all know, just share the love.
Yeah,
and,
man.
yeah. But other than that, yeah, we're good, man.
Yeah, we're there. Literally at the time of doing this video, tomorrow starts winter in Australia. Yeah, so.
Yeah.
And it's already cold. Like literally, we're facing it.
We are facing cold weather
Yeah.
right now.
Yeah.
But I feel more comfortable being pregnant in this weather than being hot
Yeah.
and bothered.
Well, I mean, I like none of them.
So yeah, another thing is that's been in the updates. My dad's moved away from here, guys, so you probably won't be seeing, not that you have been seeing much of my father on the vlogs, but yeah, we're going to be visiting him shortly. He lives in a very tropical place
Yeah.
here in Australia, so we can't wait to go visit and see what that place is all about.
Yeah,
So I
man.
don't want to share too much, but yes, we will be visiting that place where he is.
For real.
Yeah. So can't wait. Can't
Yeah.
wait to see my dad again. It's been a couple of weeks. I miss him already.
Mm-hmm.
He used to always come over and annoy us for coffee.
Yeah. True.
So anyways,
man.
yeah. So that's it, guys. So thank you so much if you're watching this to the end.
Yeah.
We appreciate the love and support that you guys are sharing
Most
on
definitely.
our channel, especially all our new subscribers. Thank you so much.
Big up to all the Big
You're
up
right.
to all the Samoans. You know, we've been getting people from New Zealand, even Australia in the top 5, which we never have these countries in our top 5 list before. So it's
Yes,
amazing.
yes. Big up yourselves, Samoans. Samoans, when they say, what do they say?
Which what? Talo?
No talofa. Sekia Samoa.
Sekia Samoa.
So yeah, we learned
Malo.
that one. Malo. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so big up yourselves and thank you so much for all the love and support, guys. Big
Yes,
ups.
man. Yeah, man. So,
Yeah.
and also, the Psalm 1 videos are not over yet. So, right after this, you guys will get the continuation with Jermaine. So, stick around for that.
Yeah.
All right?
All right. Yeah. Peace out, guys.
Yes, man.
Love from the Island family, always.
Yeah. Subscribe to his channel. No.
We on a roll now.
Let's go now.
All right, greetings everybody. This is Jermaine Zin. Okay, I'd like to say thank you to everyone who has viewed the Island Family video and have sent well wishes and have sent positive notations, in terms of how they felt and so on when they watched the video. All right, now I've also been receiving a lot of calls regarding the video, because in the video I stated my number, my WhatsApp number. All right. Now since then, a lot of questions have come up in regards to the people want to know how is it that they can come here, what are the opportunities here, from a tourist point of view and from a business point of view, and just overall, how is it that they can basically come and take advantage of what Samoa has to offer. All right. They have also asked me if it would be possible for me to make a YouTube channel, just to keep them, just to have some form of documentation as to how, all the different things that I mentioned earlier. All right, so what I've done, I've created a YouTube channel. I'm going to put a couple of videos on it, a few snippets, and then we start from there and then see where it goes. The name of the YouTube channel is Jam Samoa Fun. All right, so that's Jam Samoa Fun. That's one word, So, I then have asked the Island family if they can attach this video to the other video that they are going to do to, in essence, alert everyone to the creation of this. Now, going forward, it's a lot of work to basically, get all of this done. I have partners, in essence. I'd call them partners because these are people who have helped me, to start my business, to get my stuff done in terms of from the immigration side. So from the immigration side, from the business side, from the whole retail wholesale side, and so forth. And then now I can show everybody how it's done and what can be done, in a sense, if they are too in this position. So I want to say a big shout out to everybody. Thank you very much. Sometimes, we as Jamaicans, we help each other. That is how we were grown. You understand? So it's just me doing this for everybody. All right? So thank you again, and you don't know. We link. See it there? All right, cool.